The Oraimo OSW 16 is Oraimo's latest addition to their smartwatch and fitness band series. It is a cheap watch that retails for 14,900 naira, and just like every other product from Oraimo, this OSW 16 smartwatch comes in a green and black box with a pictorial representation of what we are to expect. This smartwatch comes with a curved display, and Oraimo claims it has a slim design which we are going to check out soon. It comes with 1 year warranty, which is pretty good, and right on the back of this package are the main specifications. Listed here are IPS color touch screen, Bluetooth 5.0 for connectivity, music control, 1320 mode, 9.5mm slim body, calorie counter, activity and sleep monitor, etc. More of everything later in this video. There are more specifications at the back of this package, a picture of Papa himself and his signature. To really enjoy all of its features, you need to download the Oraimo Joywear 2 app. It is available on both Android and iOS. Without wasting much time, let's just open the box and see what this watch has to offer. Upon opening the box, we are greeted with the watch itself. Underneath is a little patch that houses the user manual, which no one reads by the way, and a unique charging cord, and that is pretty much everything we have in the box. The watch itself is a very good looking watch in respect to the price it retails for. It has a very good looking curved screen and TPU straps which you can pull off to swap by the way, but Oraimo doesn't sell straps at the moment. The strap has a 3D texture which makes it look so cool. I really love how this watch looks. The strap has a bunch of holes, so I'm sure it's going to serve everybody just right. And just like Oraimo claimed, it has a slim body. It has only one side button which is used to power it on and to go back to the main menu. To the back of this watch is some Oraimo branding, its sensor and the charging dock. The charger snaps really good at its back and doesn't fall off, but if you place it the wrong way, it repels, so you know you have to change its orientation. The watch looks really good on my wrist, and it has an IP68 water resistant rating, which means it can be submerged in water up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. Oraimo claimed the screen repels oil and fingerprint, which is true to some extent. I rubbed my fingers on it rigorously and it did a good job in hiding the fingerprints. It has a 1.69 IPS display with curved edges and a sheen which I think is quite big, but it has 80% screen to body ratio. The display is not OLED, so it doesn't get super bright outdoors, but it's still usable under direct sunlight and it can get super bright indoors. It has different brightness levels, so you can change it to your preference. You can change the watch face by holding the screen for 3 seconds and swiping to choose from the few ones available on the watch, or you can choose from the list of the so good looking ones on the Oraimo Joywear 2 app. This is a very fun thing. I change my watch face almost every hour. You also have the privilege of using your own picture as your watch face. On that note, navigating through this watch is quite simple. You swipe right to see an overview of your fitness journey, steps taken, calories burnt, your heart rate info, sleep info and the weather. Swiping down gives access to your control center. Swiping left is where things get interesting. You can choose any workout from the 1320 modes available. You can also find all 4 of the previously mentioned features here. You can control your music and see your messages. Talking about music and messages, you can only use this watch while connected with Bluetooth to pause and play your music, skip track ahead or skip them back. The font of the messages is quite small, which I think is to give space for more text characters. Also, you can reply text, which is another major con for me. You can also access your messages by swiping up. From what I have noticed so far, this watch is used to reduce the amount of time you use your phone and not in any way near replacing your phone. It is to give you quick preview so that you can decide whether to pick up your phone and reply your text or just ignore it. The Joywear 2 app is what brings all of these pictures together. It is easy to pair with your watch. Just download it and go to the device tab, click add new device and wait for it to find your watch, then connect. You can do a lot of stuff on here, set workouts, set goals for yourself, which are going to see like a congratulatory pop-up on your watch when you complete it. It's also where you get to do extra stuff like finding your watch, track your menstrual cycle if you are a female, put the watch on DND, set alarm, etc. The battery on here is solid. It has a 200 mAh battery which has a standby time of 15 days. But if you use it every day to track your sleep, read messages, etc., it's going to get you 3 days of usage on a single charge with its very unique charging cord. It goes from 0 to 100% in 2 hours though. This watch is for people that are into fitness because it does that really well among other things, but for a watch that costs 14,900 naira, it really did not disappoint me. Thank you for watching, subscribe if you haven't, and until the next one, au revoir.